It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 189 Logee Street, Unit 1R, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a newly renovated 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour when you walk in. Beautiful new flooring throughout. Kitchen here. Plenty of countertop and cabinet space. State-of-the-art gas stove, stainless steel refrigerator. Right to the left of the kitchen, you get the full bathroom. Shower, tub, and vanity, beautiful backsplash. Very spacious living area, ceiling fans, fresh new lighting. Bedroom number 1 to my left. Big enough for a queen or a king set. Straight ahead, you get bedroom number 2, also big enough for a queen or a king set. You do have a separate entrance there as well, facing the front of the house. I'd like to apply for 189 Logee Street, Unit 1R, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.